My name is Nicole Gram. I've been here at Smith Strong for 3 years now. The reason why I became an attorney ultimately was because I wanted to work with people. If you ask my brothers, they'll say I always argued with them growing up. I was the middle child, so I often felt that I was always assisting my little brother too and sticking up to my big brother and representing him. It was kind of me and him versus our older brother. I grew up in upstate New York, but I moved to Richmond when I was in 6th grade, and I've been in Richmond ever since. I love the Richmond area, and I continue to live in Richmond now. I went to Virginia Tech, go Hokies, and then I also went to law school at University of Richmond. Here at Smith Strong, I do estate planning and estate administration, focusing primarily on probate as well as trust administration. I also do some business as well as some family law matters. Previously, prior to coming to Smith Strong, I was focusing primarily on family law matters and dealing with the conflict between families. So often I find me using a lot of the people skills that I gained from that ultimately assisting me in helping estate planning folks as they plan for their future and plan for their families. Most clients are most concerned about ensuring that their estate plans are correct and are very detailed oriented in terms of what they've been working their life's work hard away for in terms of protecting their assets. I think here at Smith Strong, we ultimately work as a team, so it's not only me as the attorney, but also our paralegal and other attorneys and staff that work together to assist each individual client to reach their outcome that they want. I think that communication is a big factor, as well as that team aspect as well. In terms of the way that we do probate and estate administration, oftentimes there's areas in the law that are changed, or ultimately a new aspect pops up in terms of different fact pattern that hadn't occurred previously. So we often find ultimately having to apply each individual matter to what the law is and advising those clients and keeping them up to speed on all the deadlines, whether that be a probate matter that's before the Commissioner of Accounts, or ultimately an estate administration matter that ultimately may just have some deadlines in terms of administering assets and ensuring taxes and bills are paid. I think that clients often are very thrilled with ultimately the process of them meeting with us, the detail orientation, the patience in terms of asking questions, always ensuring that they do understand exactly what we're talking about and what they all are doing in terms of their estate planning. Additionally, I think that clients are very appreciative of just kind of the natural interaction of us learning about them and their families and caring and putting that input in terms of their estate planning so that they feel comfortable that if something did happen to them, their family members can come to a good place and they feel comfortable that they'll be taken care of. I'm excited to meet with you. Please come on in and we'll get you taken care of no matter what you have going on. And it'll be a team atmosphere, and we'll put all of our hard work into your matter and communicate with you along the way.